Hello everyone, welcome to the class 6 of straight lines. That is, we are dealing with MHT-CET 2026. Straight lines chapter चल रहा है, first part मैंने complete कर दिया है. Today we are going to start with the new concept. अब लोग new concept का थोड़ा सा तैयारी करते हैं, and then in the next class we will be solving the questions based on this new concept. What is the new concept? The new concept, let me show you the new concept. First of all, let me share the screen with you. All right, so the new concept is two intersecting lines. So first of all, दो lines अगर होते हैं तो कैसे होगा, इसके बारे में थोड़ा let us understand what when the two lines they come together. So let's say for example the first line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. You all know that the straight line is always represented by the linear equation in x and y, which is in general ax plus by plus c equal to 0. तो अगर ये दो लाइन्स है, मान लो एक a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and दूसरा लाइन है a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the two lines. Then there are cases. Case number 1. Lines are intersecting. Lines are intersecting if condition होगा a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. c1 upon c2 का तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता है. First of all, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Number 2, lines are parallel. Now here the condition parallel is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but that is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the second condition. Third case, case number 3, lines are coincident. मतलब पूरी तरीके से एक के ऊपर एक लाइन, आपको दो दिखाई नहीं देगी, एक ही लाइन दिखाई देगी. तो लाइन्स आर कोइंसिडेंट if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and that is equal to c1 upon c2. So these are three important cases. And the fourth case, because we are going to solve something right now, lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. Condition for perpendicular lines is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So these are the four cases when two lines comes together, right? Now the next point, this is the part, this is the first part. Let's come to the next part. Okay, second part, when the two lines are coming together, right, angle between the two lines is tan theta, which will be equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. ठीक है, प्रोवाइडेड, कंडीशन क्या है, प्रोवाइडेड we use this the same formula जो पेयर ऑफ लाइंस में 12th में हमने किया था. पेयर ऑफ लाइंस में एंगल बिटवीन द टू लाइंस, उसका जो प्रूफ किया था उसके लिए बेस फॉर्मूला यही था, m1 into m2 is equal to -1, is not equal to rather -1, because अगर m1 into m2 -1 है, definitely the two lines are perpendicular to each other, no need to use the formula also. This is the second point. Point number 3, if the two lines are intersecting, if the two lines are intersecting, पिछले वाले पेज पे हमने दिखाया था intersecting का कंडीशन ये है, if the two lines are intersecting, अगर ऐसी बात है, then intersecting है तो point of intersection होगा. Point of intersection कैसे होगा, point of intersection is ऑब्टेन्ड, अगर अपने को पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑब्टेन अपने को करना है, तो बाय सॉल्विंग टू इक्वेशंस simultaneously, which you have done in 10th standard also, right? हमारे पास अगर दो लाइन्स है तो उनको सॉल्व करके हमने इक्वेशंस किया हुआ है. सो दिस आर द टू इक्वेशंस. इंटरसेक्टिंग का कंडीशन है a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, and in case if I want a point of intersection, I have to solve these two equations simultaneously. And now the fourth case is concurrent lines. Now suppose there are three lines which are concurrent. ये हमने लास्ट ईयर डिटर्मिनेंट्स में भी किया था. कॉन्करेंट है तो कंसिस्टेंट है, कंसिस्टेंसी का कंडीशन जो हमने किया था. सो इफ देयर आर थ्री लाइंस a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, the second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, third line is a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. If the three lines are concurrent, the condition for concurrency is we have to solve this determinant. Determinant is a1 b1 c1. इसमें एक चीज सिर्फ आपको ख्याल रखना है, याद रखना है कि जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है या तो तीनों राइट हैंड साइड पे होने चाहिए या फिर तीनों लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे होने चाहिए. दैट care you have to take while solving the problems. So another row is a2 b2 c2 and the third row is a3 b3 c3. If these three lines are concurrent, right, in that case ये जो determinant है उसका वैल्यू आएगा 0. दिस इज द सेम कंडीशन दैट वी यूज फॉर कंसिस्टेंट इक्वेशंस, कंसिस्टेंसी के इक्वेशन. सो आपने 12th स्टैंडर्ड में भी इसको शायद यूज किया है वेक्टर्स में, राइट? चेक कर लेना, वेक्टर्स में हमने यूज किया अल्फा बीटा निकालते वक्त. नाउ द लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट in this is family of lines. Now this is very interesting concept और बच्चे ये कॉन्सेप्ट को अगर यूज करते हैं और सीईटी में इसको यूज करना ही चाहिए. आपने बोर्ड्स में यूज नहीं किया था, 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने शायद इसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया था, बट दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू सॉल्व मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. अगर देखो, इफ लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल u एक है इक्वेशन है जिसको इक्वेशन है a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That means this is one line. Another line v, this is second line a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are two lines. Then the line which pass through the point of intersection of these two lines, right, is given by u plus kv equal to 0. So like this, there are many lines which are possible which pass through the line of intersection. Even from here it is possible, right? There are infinite number of lines because हर बार आप change करते हो k का value. So u plus kv equal to 0. Listen to this very carefully. U plus kv equal to 0 gives a line passing through the point of intersection of u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. ये दोनों के point of intersection में से pass होने वाली जो लाइंस है उनको उनका इक्वेशन होता है u plus kv equal to 0. Here we avoid the time that we waste in finding out the point of intersection. So this is a very important concept जो आपने पहले यूज नहीं किया था, बट हमको सीईटी में इसको यूज करना है, right? So u plus kv equal to 0 is a line which pass through the point of intersection of u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. Why do we call it as a family of lines? Because for every value of k there is a different line that is possible. So for infinite number of values of k there are infinite number of lines, and every line pass through the point of intersection of two lines, u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. Alright, that's it for this part. The concept हमने जो अभी डिस्कस किया है इसके ऊपर बेस्ड हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे in the next class, right? Bye bye for now. See you in the next class.